Hello, everybody. This is Justice Brett Kavanaugh, and as I always do at the end of the Supreme Court term, I like to crack open a cold one. Unfortunately, the old ball and chain, my wife gave me liquid death, which I was hoping was grain alcohol, but instead it turns out it's just water. I hope somebody sues Liquid Death, to be honest. They will, I know who's writing the majority opinion if that gets up to the Supreme Court. Justice Kavanaugh, that's who. This is so unfair. You call something liquid death and it's just water. This wouldn't kill anybody unless you drown them in it, which, who knows? We'll see what happens with that. But we had a lot of momentous decisions this term. A lot of them came down recently. Obviously, affirmative action is gone, bye-bye. And I couldn't be happier because when I was at Yale, where I busted my butt, when I pulled out my junk at a party, it wasn't a white man or a legacy admission that reported me and threatened to derail my Supreme Court hearings, which I had fought so hard for. It was a woman of color, and if you spell that out, the acronym for woman of color is WOC, which is very similar to woke. And now because of, the shame and indignity, not of pulling out my junk at the party, but of having to go to the administration, it wasn't any of my straight white male friends who reported to me. They enjoyed it. And now, thanks to me, at elite institutions like Yale and Harvard, when a white man pulls out his junk at a party, he can rest assured that there's going to be a much lower chance that one of his fellow white male brethren will report him. And if I do nothing else on this court, other than make it safe for white male bros to pull out their junk at parties, then I will consider it a job well done. But we also came up with some other decisions. Basically, you can't force me to make a website for gay people, just like you can't force me to be gay. Okay, I'm very straight. But, the libs hate that too, but so be it. Making a website is speech. You can't compel that speech. If Wix doesn't want to make your gay website, then just go to dicks.com. I don't know about sporting goods, but I think you know what I'm saying. It's just a marketplace of ideas, and so be it if almost all of our decisions turn the LGBTQ population into second-class citizens. It's not our intention, it's just a nice fringe benefit. And then the one I was proudest of was today, getting rid of that student loan forgiveness. I go to church every Sunday. I'm a proud Catholic, and if there's one thing I know about being a Christian in America, it has nothing to do with forgiveness, even student loan forgiveness. And I had to work a job and fight off allegations all through school and law school. Nobody forgave my loans. In fact, some of those people didn't even forgive what I've done during school. So, let me just take a sip of this liquid death. Foaming at the mouth, gets me dry. But I will tell you this, everybody, if you're even lucky enough to get into school, since we've probably hurt some people's chances, there will be no loan forgiveness. And I think that's only fair. This is America, okay, where you get ahead on talent and merit and nothing else. So, no forgiveness, no affirmative action, no gay websites. I thank President Trump every day for putting me on this bench. So thank you. I'm now going to try and find something stronger than liquid death. We're going to have a serious rager tonight because I am so proud. I'm so proud to be a Supreme Court Justice. So thank you. Talk to you next June.